Using the wrong crypto wallet could literally cost you your coins. I'm Brett at CGX Crypto, and in this video, I'm breaking down the top mobile wallets. This includes MetaMask with over 30 million users, Phantom with slick multi-channel upgrades, and Trust Wallet with massive chain support. I'm going to be comparing them on security, ease of use, and real-world features. Stick around to find out which one gives beginners the best mix of safety and simplicity. All right, let's kick off our wallet race with two of the biggest players on the Ethereum blockchain, MetaMask and Rabby. MetaMask, as I mentioned, has over 30 million monthly users. So almost every crypto app or dApp is already speaking that language. It works with Ethereum and its layer 2 helper networks. Layer 2 is just other networks built on top of Ethereum. And you can plug in any hardware wallet for extra safety. MetaMask even pops up bright red warnings if a site looks shady, though the phone screen can feel cramped for first-time users. Rabby, on the other hand, was built by the DBank team. They tried to smooth out the rough edges when it comes to the user interface. It auto-detects the right network when you open a decentralized app or dApp, and its big green or red banner will show exactly what a transaction will do before you tap confirm. Face ID login is also ready as well. You just switch it on in the settings and you're good to go. But comparing these two, think of MetaMask as the busy superstore, and then Rabby is the newer shop with clear signs and a really friendly security guard. They work very similarly, but it just depends on what you prefer when it comes to user interface. If MetaMask and Rabby feel a bit techy, I'll introduce you to a couple wallets that are made for pure simplicity. These are Rainbow and Uniswap. Rainbow's screen looks more like a fun sticker book than a bank app, and it even shows your NFTs in bright colors. You can earn Rainbow points just by using it. People think that those points could turn into free tokens later, but we're not sure. If you need some extra safety, Rainbow lets you hook up a hardware wallet so that your secret keys live off of your phone. Uniswap wallet, on the other hand, keeps things even leaner. Every swap happens through Uniswap's own exchange, so you always know where your coins are going. The home screen uses only icons, no words, so the layout stays very clean, and you can set price alerts to buzz your phone when a coin moves to a certain price. This is obviously great info for beginners who just want quick trades without any clutter. Uniswap and Rabby are both multi-chain wallets, so they support lots of different chains like Ethereum, BNB, and much more. So definitely look into each one of these. They probably both support about the same number of chains, but make sure the chain you want to use is supported. Next up is the superstar from the Solana blockchain, which is the Phantom wallet. Phantom started as the MetaMask for Solana, but now it actually holds Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, and even Bitcoin all in one app. This means that you can keep your Solana, your NFTs, and your Bitcoin all in one pocket. The app is super friendly. When you open a decentralized app or dApp, it automatically shows you a preview of what you will leave or enter into your wallet. This is going to basically turn the scary crypto code into plain English. If you want to stake your Solana, you can also do that with a single tap earn button that sits right under your Solana balance. If you lose your phone, your secret phrase restores everything, so no company can freeze your coins. But make sure to obviously save your secret phrase and keep it written down on something physical. Don't store it anywhere digitally where someone could, potentially hack and get it. And obviously don't lose your secret phrase. There is no recovery if you lose that. Phantom says it's past 15 million users worldwide. And in short, Phantom is a comfy bridge between the Solana world and the rest of crypto. Next up is Trust Wallet. It's touted as the all-in-one powerhouse. The first important thing about Trust Wallet is size. More than 60 million people keep their coins on Trust Wallet. And this crowd isn't stuck with just one chain either. Trust works with 70 plus blockchains from Bitcoin and Solana to Cardano and XRP. With Trust Wallet, security stays very simple. Your secret phrase is yours alone and the code is open source, so anybody can inspect it for bugs. For extra safety, you lock the app with Face ID or a PIN in seconds. New in 2025 is Swift Wallet within Trust Wallet. So if you lose your phone, sign back in with Face ID. And you can even pay network fees with any coin you hold. You don't have to have extra gas tokens just sitting there in the same currency that you are paying something with. Trust isn't just a storage though, it's an earning machine. You can tap stake and collect rewards on coins like BNB and Cardano right inside the app. And there's a built-in browser with Trust that opens thousands of crypto apps without pasting long links. All that power still feels friendly, making Trust Wallet a really all-in-one champion for beginners who want everything to work. Another extremely popular wallet is Coinbase Wallet because so many people use Coinbase to buy their tokens to begin with. You can pull coins straight from your regular Coinbase exchange app with one single tap. The app already handles 160 plus cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many, many more. So beginners aren't really boxed into any particular coin. Even though Coinbase built it, the wallet is fully self-custodial. So that means only your secret phrase unlocks your funds. Similar to all the other wallets, you have to, keep your secret phrase somewhere physical and, don't lose that. For simpler sending of funds or receiving of funds, you can get a free username, and the format is name.cb.id. And this is in a replacement of a long crypto address. So people can send it to your username instead of that long address. And of course, this also has a built-in browser. It lists the top crypto apps, and there's a new chat tool that lets you message your friends using XMTP. This is a really interesting feature so that you can message other people on the blockchain and through the crypto app, basically. You can also flip on Face ID plus have an encrypted cloud backup for extra peace of mind. If you need even more coins and built-in tools like what Coinbase Wallet gives, you need to check out Exodus and Atomic Wallet. Exodus holds 260 plus different coins and pairs with a very big desktop app for very easy tracking. You have 24/7 live chat help, which is really handy when you're new and stuck on something. You can even plug in a Trezor hardware wallet to keep your keys off of your phone. Atomic Wallet promises an even bigger list, 500 plus coins inside of one app. Just be very careful because in 2023, hackers stole about $35 million from some users after a security flaw. Obviously, that's a big red flag. But Atomic patched the bug, even though, many people now treat it with very much caution. In this case, Exodus is definitely the safer all coins choice, while Atomic is powerful but carries some extra risk. If you'd rather skip a giant coin list and just stash your Bitcoin and Ethereum safely, check out the blockchain.com wallet. This one has been around since 2013 and it runs on open source code with a bug bounty program. This setup feels like any normal app. Email and password, then it hands you a secret phrase so you hold the keys. It's great for beginners who mainly want Bitcoin and Ethereum or stable coins without any extra bells and whistles. So after that quick look at blockchain.com, let's zoom out and stack every wallet one-on-one to a simple scoreboard. If you need the wildest coin lineup and open source safety, Trust Wallet serves more than 60 million people and covers 70 plus chains. If you want the wallet that every decentralized app already knows, MetaMask still leads with 30 million monthly users. Solana fans who also hold Bitcoin can lean on Phantom's new multi-chain powers. If you're a total beginner who loves clean menus, Coinbase Wallet moves 160 plus coins in one tap from the exchange side. If big portfolio tracking and having a live chat matter, Exodus fits 260 plus coins and pairs with Trezor. Just remember, Atomic Wallet lost about $35 million in a 2023 hack, so use it only if you're okay with that risk. But summing up the grand total of all of this, what does this mean for you and what is my pick for most newbies? I would definitely say that Trust Wallet is the one to go with because it has tons of coins, easy staking, zero headache. Whatever you choose with any of these, guard that secret phrase like gold. Turn on your Face ID and never click on any sketchy links. While all of these are great picks for mobile wallets, it's important to keep your crypto safe in a hardware wallet. Once you purchase your crypto and you hold it for a long time, make sure to switch it over to a hardware wallet. Mobile wallets are called hot wallets. These are accessible on the internet, and if you connect it to an untrustworthy site, you may end up giving hackers access to your coins. If you're ready to fill up your new wallet with crypto, make sure to click on those links to Coinbase or crypto.com in the description. Each gets you $50 worth of free crypto. And if you want to get started with meme coins, click on the MoonShot link in the description and tap claim meme coins when you sign up to get some free meme coins. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all things crypto. Drop your questions about all these wallets in the comments below, but thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.